What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We got another install today. We're gonna be trying to get some more whooshy sounds out of this thing, so I'm gonna show y'all what we got for it. All right, so I went ahead, picked up the Steeda intake pipe. Comes with the coupler, the hose clamp, and the adapter for the sensor. So let's take a look in the engine bay, see what we got to do. So the reason I just went with the intake pipe is because I'm already running the RS style airbox and the upgraded air filter. So this is kind of, oh yeah, and the torque solution elbow right there. So this should free up a little bit more of that induction sound. All right, so you got two T30 Torx bolts on both sides of this cowl holding it on. That's all I have for the cowl, just because whenever I did this strut bar, I never put the lower cowl back on. I still got to do that, but yeah, so you just got those, and then you got another 2 bolts on the lower cowl to take off on each side as well, which I believe are 10 mil. All right, so if you guys didn't watch my strut bar install, after you get these 2 Torx bit bolts out, you got 4 just like body panel clips. I always get them out with this. If you don't have this, you can just use a flathead to get up underneath there, but it's not too bad, and there's only 4, so we'll get those off. All right, so once you have this loose, you don't have to take it all the way off. You just want access behind here to get to that hose clamp, and then you just use I believe that's the factory hose clamp. It should be. So you just use a flathead to get that hose clamp off. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. So once you loosen that hose clamp down there, you're gonna want a set of pliers to break this free right here. See if I can get it with just one hand. Oh yeah, that's not bad at all. All right, so you use the pliers to get this one loose. That's just the mount for the cover. And then you got an 8 mil here, and you got an 8 mil here. So we'll do that, and we'll take it off. Oh, and you got this hose clamp right here. And then you should just be able to pull the whole thing up. So the stock turbo inlet is off now. Oh, the turbo intake, you can see right down into the turbo now, but so that's off. So now it's time to put on the new one, and you just do it in reverse order of how you took it off. So we'll see what it looks like. So before you put it back in, it comes with the adapter. So you're just gonna screw this adapter in there. Make sure it's nice and tight in there. So this adapter is just gonna connect, where'd it go? This line right here. So it's just gonna connect this. All right, so the inlet tube from Steeda is all on now. I got a couple paint transfers over there. I just need to take some magic eraser too from the strut bar. So with the strut bar, it's a pretty tight fit, because obviously you can't bend this one like you can those ones. So it's a little bit of a tight fit, but got it in there. And I'm gonna do it before and after so you guys can hear the difference.